All right, we're just going to look at how it compares size-wise to some of the vintage and other well-known Polaroid cameras that I happen to actually own. So, get these out of the way. And we'll start with what it looks a good bit like its old XX70 predecessor here. So this is them side by side. You can clearly see the SX70 is a little longer. If you stack, angle of the camera doesn't help, but size-wise, SX70 clearly a heavier piece of equipment. Here's the box type SX70, which clearly these were super light cameras, you know, all plastic. Size-wise, without the viewfinder flipped up, they are pretty close in height. And size-wise, almost exactly the same length. And looking from the top, very close in size. If you're comparing it to the 600 series, here's a Sun 660, clearly a bigger, bulkier camera, but here we are side by side. Of course, that's having the LED flash around the lens, nothing to flip up. Keeps it smaller, and then width-wise, here's a Spectra. See those side by side. And again, the Spectra is probably the same height as the i1 without the viewfinder flipped up, height-wise. So there we go. That's the new toy.